Hello, everyone. Thank you. I can feel the Hot Wheels team extreme power, excitement, and thrill right here in front of me. Thank you. Wow, it feels amazing. Well, this is definitely the most unforgettable experience. We are going to break the Guinness World Book of Records. So are you ready, guys?
That's
For
right.
the most thrilling vehicle experience ever.
That's right. We are going to make the Guinness World Record of the biggest vending machine. So let's move towards the vending machine and break the Guinness World Record. Everyone excited?
I am. Let's do it.
Created the world's largest vending machine for Hot Wheels anywhere in the world. Congratulations, Team Extreme.